Welcome to Kuber Kushagra AI. We are actively developing an AI system designed to assist with stock trading decisions in the share market. While we are currently in an experimental phase and refining our engine, we are committed to transparency, documenting and sharing the outcomes generated by this AI system. Please note that it is important to exercise caution when considering these ideas and conduct thorough research of your own before following our actions. The stock market is inherently volatile and losses can occur unpredictably. Therefore, making informed decisions is paramount. Please note that this video is for education purposes only. So, in the last few days, we saw that the market was very choppy, and in fact, it took a big dip on Wednesday, and on Thursday, it bounced back a little. So, we are not going to give any new stock ideas as such. Um, we'll wait and watch how the market performs. However, for the ideas that we had already shared, Hindustan Unilever has actually crossed the lower band and by quite a bit. However, I would not rush into sell this stock. It is a very, very stable stock and a good long-term hold. Therefore, I would watch for another 0.5% or 1% as such, because right now it is trading towards the lower band and it is oversold. But what we can also see is there's a downtrend in this stock. So if I just zoom in, there's a certain downtrend that is going on. Now, whether this is going to be short term or long term, we'll have to wait and watch. So I'd give it another percent or so to wait and watch and see what happens there. The other stock that we had recommended, or the stock idea that we had shared, was Escorts. Now, Escorts has hit way below the lower circuit, and I think it is better that we sell this stock. It is failing to make higher highs, and in fact, is making lower lows. So let's cut down our profits and exit this stock. Kotak Bank, although the market was went down very drastically on Wednesday, this stock did not go down as much. So, and it is still in a buy position. So it would be a good idea to buy and hold this stock. Um, Again, here the bands are getting narrower. So there's every possibility that this stock may break out soon. So that is all we have for today. Thank you for watching. And once again, I want to remind that do not make decisions based on this video alone. Do your own research, and we'll keep you posted about how this AI engine performs. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.